Wow, Nigerians, this now today, now day to day, very proud of our people. You know, Super Eagles don't make us proud. They flog South Africa 2-1 yesterday. That game sweet me for Bele. I like the way Super Eagles play. They make Nigeria proud. Nice one. My people, this is our boy Ben Diamond. I don't come again with another sweet story where they happen for we country. I say make a come freestyle and Boku deliberate on and Boku know how far waiting they go on. But the major topic where I carry come this morning, now this Ruga matter. This Ruga matter, I say Moku, you know, Moku talk about and make we know wetin you they feel about her. Make me matter wetin me they feel about her. Moku hear wetin other people they feel about her, you know. This Ruga matter, federal government may come out talk say they won't do Ruga resettlement. The Ruga resettlement means a small colony for Fulani herdsmen where they carry cow move around, you know. Say they want make each state for the 36 states carve out small spaces, give these Fulani herdsmen so that they will use them rear their cow instead of moving around with the cow. And again, instead of this, you know, say this their movement, they always cause beef between them and farmers. Based on say they feel they carry their cattle pass and their cattle they consume waiting farmers don't plant for their farm and they cause beef. You don't cause so many crises. In fact, Nigeria, we don't lose so many people to that. We don't move, according to Amnesty International, I think we don't lose up to 3,000 people, but that one are just written number. And we don't say me and you know say the actual number now like 5,000. But we thank God say as they don't come up for this matter. Most people now, the thing be say, most people they perceive the matter different way. Federal government intention, as they talk say they won't stop farmers and cattle rearers, that's herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen, clash, which we know say we don't lose so many of our brothers to. Now one of their basic aim of introducing this stuff be that. But other people they perceive them differently. Some people view them say you know make sense. They don't give their land to foreigners. Some people they see Fulani people as Fulani herdsmen are foreigners, so they don't have their land give Fulani. While other people they feel say since it don't be like that, maybe they just free them, maybe they continue they do the way that they do before. Ever since they come, they don't get land, they move around from northwest, left, right, center with their cattle. So Amnesty International been come out talk say we don't do like 3,000 people to this Fulani herdsmen clash with farmers. But me and you know say no be the actual number be that. Maybe the actual number at the ground go fit be that kind 5,000, but due to on paper now they will give us 3,000. But federal government come out talk say them now the aim of this thing where they want to do this Ruga resettlement say they won't stop that Fulani herdsmen and farmers clashes. They won't stop that clash where they cost people life. They won't stop them. Now why they bring this idea come, make state government embrace them, use them, settle the beef. But the thing be say, most people now they view them differently. Everybody they say and some people they say and say, man, them they don't feel give out their own land though, to foreigners, which is the Fulani herdsmen. While other people they say and say, well, now very good idea, make we leave them, make we give them the land so that they go fit settle. And again, federal government talk say they won't make they produce more healthier meat. You know, if you don't go to abattoir before, you go know how the abattoir they operate. If you go to abattoir, you go see where they carry meat, they transport meat left, right, and center inside wheelbarrow, flies, they just they patch around. You go see there they carry broom, they flog the meat. You go see there they roast goat, they roast ram, they roast cow with tire. And you know say you no good, all those things contain chemicals and dirty. You no good. And the kind of meat they consume be that. Federal government comes to come out and say this Ruga resettlement, if they give them like that, you go get marketplace inside. You go get abattoir inside where they go process the meat. You get meat processor and everything inside. You know? So the Ruga resettlement are more like an advanced something to advance the kind of meat they consume, to make sure say the meat they consume they healthy and some other aspect to them, you know. But people now, my fellow country people, some of them dey perceive am in a different way. Like people from south now talk to them, they no fit give out their land o. Say if e too worry federal government for the rural resettlement, say make federal government use Sambisa forest for am. I fit quote one governor for dis we country wey talk say since they use pipeline draw oil come north, they fit use pipeline draw water to go Sambisa forest. Dey grade, you know, dey take water grass, make grass comot, make the cow chop for there. Some people comot talk say dem dey no fit give their land to foreign people o. Some people dey see Fulani herdsmen as foreigners, to them they no fit give their land to Fulani people. Say better make Fulani people continue dey roam about the way they dey do their normal waka. But the thing be say na good idea. At the same time, na something wey say all of us need to key in to make sure say e balance for everybody. Though federal government talk say na voluntary something, no be must. If you your state feel say okay, you fit carve out land from your state give them, fine. If you feel say you no fit carve out land for your state give them, fine, you know. But the way Nigerians dey view am dey different. Everybody dey get different views about the Ruga matter. But the one wey come dey worry me be that one wey say some people comot say dem be coalition of northern youth, come comot come talk say they dey give federal government 30 days ultimatum, and they dey give all state government 30 days ultimatum to agree to the Ruga resettlement matter. E no make sense. E just comot dey give state government 30 days ultimatum, and the worst part be say dem come dem talk say dey give state government 30 days ultimatum. If they no meet up with the ultimatum, they go resort to their own way of doing things. That kind of statement, you no suppose issue that kind of statement for we country. Na country no belong to only you. Na different people dey the country. All of us na one. You no suppose come out talk like that. You suppose now take arrange our things, then make it settle for both of all of us. Make we understand wetin we dey do. You no go just come on air say you be so come talk say you dey give so and so ultimatum to do so and so. That kind of thing dey cause separation for so many countries. Na so e dey start. But we thank God, our government just kuma suspend the matter for now. Say make dem go back. I feel say maybe they wan go back, re-strategize the thing, see how e go take benefit everybody, then comot, bring am out again. We thank God for the way the thing dey go, sha. That one no be issue. I wan say make I talk about this Senator Abu. Una know am. He dey everywhere. That senator wey go dey buy sex toy, as if go dey come go beat one lady for the shop. That senator na that senator assault that lady wey dey work for sex toy shop. That senator. The senator bin comot after the something happen wey dem bin leak am online, wey everybody come dey react to. He bin comot come apologize publicly to Nigerians, even kneel down cry, you know, beg for apology, say na mistake, he no be that kind of person, he no know wetin happen, but he come do like that. Say make una forgive am, make una, you know, give am the benefit of doubt and all that. Nigerians even some Nigerians even believe am. Some Nigerians say, "Kai, this guy since he don come apologize, make we free am." Some people talk say he must face the wrath of law because na assault nursing mother, so he must face that law. He must face him crime, you know. We come dey feel say okay, as the matter dey go like that, nice one. They come carry am go court. After dem carry am go court, after first day for court, I think court come give am 5 million naira bail, which he meet too. But the house, that Senate house, bin come create committee wey wan investigate the matter. You know say that kind of matter they gats investigate am because that behavior is inappropriate as a senator of we country. As dem create the committee now, they come invite the guy say okay, make we hear your own matter now. Wetin happen now? Wetin happen? The guy come go dey para. Na woman, im fellow colleague, im fellow woman dey ask am question, follow senator like am dey ask am question, bros how far na? This is make we hear your own matter. Im come dey para. Before I know, they don start dey exchange word. Im don dey talk say, you know, person wey we think say him dey remorseful for wetin him do, him come dey para too, dey hala for him colleagues based on say men they can sit down, you know, say they no fit dey ask am some kind question wetin na colleagues dem be and all that. E no make sense. This na time wey the guy suppose humble so that everything go work, you know, so that him go earn our forgiveness, we go forgive am. But the guy come go, well, we thank God, we go dey on top of that matter too, make we dey see how that one go unfold sha. Na once more again, na una boy Ben Diamond o, I don come say make I give una one or two tori for this my show wey dey call Entertainment Gist with Ben Diamond. Una fit follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Peace out.